I got this head for Christmas. I think it's either a TB League or maybe a Super Duck, which is they make action figure heads for you to customize and create your own action figures. She's an Oriental. She's got a very pale skin and some really long hair. I think she had an interesting look to her, and I like having diversity on my adventure team. I found a TB League body for her. This is the one I found for her, and she's a plus size TB League, which I think is pretty interesting because she's actually smaller than Samantha's regular TB League body. With the super articulated g.i. Joes, a lot of times when you're trying to find somebody that's a companion for them, they end up being too small, which is kind of disappointing because the super articulated g.i. Joes are not the same size. She's a different build than the one that I have Samantha's head on. And I really like the TB League bodies, but I don't think I'm going to use them very often because when I do my action figure photography, I take these outside and I shoot pictures of them and get them dirty. And because the skin on the TB Leagues are silicone, they get dirty really fast. But other than that, I think they're really good figures. They're pretty neat. I'm pretty impressed with them. I just don't think that they're going to work for my outdoor photography. The one thing I was disappointed about this one is the tiny hands. I don't know why they included tiny hands for her. Her hands are awfully small compared to the ones I have on Samantha here. But other than that, she's okay figure. And she fits regular G.I. Joe stuff pretty well, especially the tactical vest, or whatever this thing's called. I think she makes a pretty cool a special operations operator. Although with her hands being so small, I have to find smaller guns with smaller handles to fit in her hand, because most G.I. Joe type guns are too big. But other than the setbacks, I think these TB League figures are really cool. I really like them. I just don't think they're going to work for my photography, my outdoor photography. And if I were going to keep them inside all the time, then I think they'd be perfect for that. And I know you could wash the bodies with soap and water, and I understand that they come pretty clean. But I also know that they're prone to staining, so you got to be careful with what clothing options you put on them.
I have a bio for her,
which I'll include at a later point. But she's a pretty interesting figure, and I really like her.
So as far as TB League goes, I'm pretty impressed with them. I think they're pretty cool. They do get dirty really fast. I probably won't continue to use this one for my special operations team. I'll probably move her to a support character or something, because I don't want to have to keep washing them. Let me know what you think about TB League. I'd be curious to hear your impressions. A lot of people like them and like using them. I think they're great for that type of photography. So, also, okay, now time for some real talk. So I'm done with talking about G.I. Joe. I want to talk about something. So there was a bit of a discussion about my current use of AI to clone my voice, And the reason why I did that is because my time is very limited. That's why I'm in the car filming on my lunchtime. I get an hour lunch, but I have, I work 8.5 hours, so anytime over 8.5 hours, so if I take a longer lunch, it takes out of my paycheck. I just kind of want to talk about where my head is at right now. I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings or make anybody feel bad, but I just want to kind of, clear the air about why I used the AI to clone my voice to get videos done. I'm the only person that's I'm kind of a one-man band as far as Matt's creative projects. I shoot video, edit them on my phone, and just do whatever I can to get these videos out.
Matt's cloned voice here. I upload a finished video on Saturday and I have a week to finish another video for the next week. Hopefully that makes sense. And now back to the real Matt.
Trying to do this without making too many cuts. So I've talked before about my ADHD in the comments. I'm very prone to procrastinating and quitting, and that's why I just try to keep going and not do that. It took me a long time. To actually start YouTube because I kept procrastinating, and I want to kind of maintain that momentum of just keep going. Some YouTube experts say that, I got notes. Some YouTube experts say that it's quality over quantity, but then there's a whole different group of people that just say, grab a camera, shoot video, upload it. If you end up with 1,000 bad videos, then that's how it is. I try to improve every video I can. I try to make every video better than the last one, and that's what I'm always striving for. And eventually I'll get there, even if it takes me 1,000 videos. The problem with quality, if I try to concentrate on quality too much, I'll probably never upload anything because I hate everything I do. I hate all my videos, but I can't let my mind go there and get sucked into that dark hole that I'm not good enough to do this. I just have to do it, whether it turns out okay or not, and whether you guys like it or not. Just being honest here. As far as that goes, I think that's all my notes I have. So, but like I said, I don't want to. I'm not trying to call anybody out or anything. Just trying to clear the air on the reason why. The reason why I use the AI, and I probably will use it in the future if I need to, kind of fill in the space and just get something finished and uploaded. Because like I said, if I don't maintain this momentum of uploading videos, then I get into that procrastinating and quitting. And last time I did that, it was really hard for me to get going on YouTube again. But I think that's it. If I could, I think that's it. But I appreciate you guys. I thank you for your views and comments and your honesty. And obviously, I'm trying to be as honest as I can. If you ever have any questions, I'll make sure I address it either in the comments or like this in a video. So don't forget to click that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I don't always shoot this personal stuff, but share with your friends, do all that stuff. I think that's it for now. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.